Hi guys, I'm Iulia and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here and you like what I'm doing and maybe you want to have a look at my other videos, don't forget to subscribe because it helps me a lot. Okay, so today I'm gonna talk to you about how to create your own product for Etsy. Maybe you're new to this, or maybe you're into crafts, or you want to be your own boss and want to start your own business, I don't know. I'm gonna show you the steps that I'm going through when I create my products for Etsy. And yeah, I thought it's gonna be fun to share it with you and show you the process that I'm going through. Okay, let's get started and get into the video. But before we're gonna get into the video, I have to show you something. The view from our bedroom this autumn is just amazing, so I really want to share it with you. Wait here. So look at this view, guys. Well, I'm waking up to this every single morning. It's just so pretty, and it's getting prettier and prettier every single day. Okay, let's get back. So what I want to do is to create a drawing on this puzzle, and I think it's gonna be a quite unique present that you can give to someone. For example, I want to draw something from Harry Potter because I'm into Harry Potter and I love it, and I think it's gonna be a great present for a huge Harry Potter fan, don't you think? Especially if this is gonna cost like £1. It's a really cool, unique hand-drawn present, isn't it? You can actually do the puzzle yourself and then a message is gonna appear, which is kind of cool. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I have finished drawing. I haven't done a great job. I think any of you can do a better job than I did at painting this. I don't know what happened. It's not perfect, but the thing is, it's a good idea for a craft that you can do for your store on Etsy. So the idea is good. It's just, you know, the practice behind it. My final result wasn't that amazing, but you can do a better job, and the idea, I think it's quite good. So now I'm gonna go out and buy some packaging for it and show you how you can pick it up. My best, and I fall obsessed in all its